You searched how to buy shares of HubSpot, and this video shows the steps. HubSpot is a software company offering CRM, marketing, and sales tools. It trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker HUBS. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as a visual example. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document. You will also need to add funds before placing any order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HUBS to find HubSpot. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a short company description and a price chart. Confirm the company details and that the symbol shown is HUBS before continuing. To invest, click the trade or buy button and enter the amount you wish to invest. Review the order details carefully and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading resumes. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before confirming. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio. If you want to follow the same walkthrough, find the link in the description below.